Hi guys, welcome to my channel Selena Go Lightly. This is Yumi and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a first impressions video on Huel, which is the hot and savory line of Huel. As you can see, I've got the box over here and I'm going to show you what it is. Alright, so here we are. This is it. The packages, the tomato herb, 665 grams. Here's the new flavor they have, the Mexican chili, about the same amount. And this is the Thai green curry. Let's see. I think this is the instructions. I'm just showing you the different kind of products and how it works. And I guess another discount. So at the moment when you order, you could get with your first subscription 2 of these ready to drink drinks for free. Just had to add them. I ordered the vanilla and the chocolate. So these ones were for free. You could also get a free shirt, but I decided not to. Then for specifically the hot and savory package, you get 2 of these scoops and 1 of these pots for mixing the hot and savory in for free. So either way you will get this if you order for the first time. So today I'm going to try out the Mexican chili. It's their new flavor. It's been out for about a week right now. And first off, I like to see if it actually has a texture that seems more like food instead of a smoothie, because most of these meal replacements more like a protein shake, and they said it should be more like a risotto. And I'd like to check out how much it actually fills, because I really actually want to try to replace my dinner with one of these meals. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I just rinsed everything in the pot. This is the pot on the inside. It says it's BPA free. Quality really feels good. It's dishwasher friendly, but the packaging recommends not to use, well actually the packaging recommends hand wash to preserve the pot. I just opened this package a moment ago and the smell is great. It actually smells like fresh ingredients. This is how it looks like. So the instructions say that you need to first scoop 2 scoops into the pot. And then scooping this out, I can really see different pieces of the ingredients in there. It's not just powder, you can really see that. Right? Here we are. And then, I don't know if it's really visible, but if you can see there's a line inside the pot. And you should fill it until that line with boiling water. That's the line. Then we've got to stir this thoroughly. Alright, so that's stirred. And I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes. Okay, so that was 5 minutes. Let's see how it looks like. It's really gotten thicker. It does really look more like risotto at this point. It's actually amazing if you look at the powder from a moment ago, how it really expanded with just 210 milliliters of water. I'm just going to check out how it tastes right now. Okay, so here I am. Just checking this out one more time up close. You can really see rice and beans. The pot is really great as well because, you know, there's pretty hot content, boiling water, and you can just hold it, it's just fine. I think it's really a good real meal replacement. I can really taste the different kind of flavors in it. And I think if I continue eating this, it's going to be pretty filling as well. I am just going to add one thing because it really is savory, and I actually taste some spices. I mean, it's not actually spicy, but I am going to add some salt because of my low blood pressure. Let's see how this tastes. I think with just a little bit of salt, it's going to be perfect. I really have to say, it really is flavorful. I'm pretty surprised. The ingredients look really good on the website, but it's still different to actually try it out. I think this would actually be a really great dinner replacement for me. The reason I actually decided to start actually using these meal replacements because sometimes when you're just really busy, personally I feel like you sometimes get too lazy to cook, or you're in a hurry, and I just started go and order a lot of takeout. I've been actually ordering a lot of takeout lately, and because of that, and because of the COVID situation, being sedentary all the time, I think I've gained quite some weight, and I really like to see how this would progress if I use these meal replacements instead. So in the next video, I hope to show you what's going to happen after eating these meals, so all 3 of them. It's really good to have actually an extra variation right now of 3 different kind of flavors for 4 weeks. These packages together are supposed to be 4 weeks worth of meals if you have 1 meal per day. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.